Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell, and I will show you today two ways. So the first way, what we're going to do is right here we are having the chart, and if you want to buy right here, the first thing that we are going to do is select right here the quantity. So fill in right here how much you want to buy. So let's do 5 for now. Then after this, we can click right here on buy market, buy, and now we created ourselves a position right here on the micro Bitcoin. Now we can also do this for sell right here, and now also we sold a position of the micro Bitcoin. But if you want to do this on a more advanced way, we go right here to trading and then select right here simple or advanced, but I recommend you to select advanced. And then right here you can do it exactly the same, but then with more options. So right here the quantity, select your order type. We have also right here a take profit or stop loss, or maybe one of them. You can decide that by yourselves. And then select right here show in. I recommend you to do value, and then select right here how much it needs to goes up or goes down. So then after that you can click here on send and then do sell, and then you created yourselves a position. But you can also do that for a buy position. So this is what you need to know to buy and sell right here on Tradovate. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.